Alright guys, here's a quick video on how you can pair controllers to the Nintendo Switch. So I have this wireless controller right here and I want to pair it. So basically you want to go to the controllers section, which is this one, and just press on controllers. Now right here we have to select the first option, which is change grip / order, and click on it. So from here the process might vary depending on the type of controller you have, so it's best if you read your instructions. But if you have lost the manual, then what I suggest doing is trying left plus right. But for this controller specifically, we have to hold the home button at the same time we hold the Y button. So that's the combination for this controller. So if we hold it, it's gonna lit up, and it might take a few tries, but here we go. Now it's paired, it's working, and I can use this controller now to play my Switch with it. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.